Alright YouTube, doing a pre-vacuum video. I've already pre-vacuumed this section. This is a section that we're going to pre-vacuum because this is the more messier one. And then I'll do a video of the Kirby Avalier shampooing. But first, as in the steps, we're going to pre-vacuum this area with the Sanitaire SC684. Let's get to it. Later on, I'm going to do a bag dump video, but just a note on a bag dump video, it's going to be on everything I pre-vacuum, not just this area. That area and that area will be all in the bag dump video, whatever I collected. I would say this is probably the dirtiest area I cleaned. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this pre-vacuum video, and the shampooing will be up next.